Losing a spouse is one of the most emotionally challenging experiences anyone can face. The grief alone is overwhelming, but when it's combined with the sudden responsibility of managing financial matters, it can feel insurmountable. It's normal to feel fear and uncertainty during this time. Questions like, will I have enough to live on? Or am I making the right financial decisions? Often loom large. Managing inherited assets, understanding retirement accounts, and budgeting for the future might feel like navigating a completely foreign landscape. The first thing to do is pause, breathe, and remind yourself that you don't have to face this alone. With the right guidance and support, you can navigate this chapter with clarity and confidence. Losing a spouse is more than just losing a loved one. It's often losing a partner who handled important financial responsibilities. This shift can lead to a range of emotions, including fear of the unknown, uncertainty about next steps, and even guilt, especially if grief leads to emotional spending. These feelings are completely normal. The key is to acknowledge them and take small steps forward. After a spouse's passing, one of the biggest challenges is deciding whom to trust with financial decisions. If your spouse managed the household finances, you may feel unsure about where to turn. A fiduciary financial advisor can help. Fiduciaries are legally obligated to act in your best interest, ensuring that their advice is aligned with your goals, not driven by commissions or sales incentives. If you've recently lost a spouse and find yourself managing a significant sum of money, here are some steps to guide you. First, pause and take stock. In the early days, don't rush into major financial decisions. While there are immediate tasks like settling your spouse's estate or claiming life insurance benefits, it's okay to take time before creating a long-term plan. Next, assess your financial situation. Gather key documents like life insurance proceeds, retirement account statements, and Social Security benefits. Understanding what you have is an essential step toward building a plan. Finding the right financial partner is another critical step. Look for someone who specializes in working with widows and who can help you create a comprehensive plan. This should include budgeting, investing, tax strategies, and legacy planning. Finally, create a plan for the future. Your plan should address budgeting for your current lifestyle, aligning investments with your goals, minimizing taxes, and updating any estate plans. When looking for a financial advisor, prioritize qualities like empathy, patience, and experience working with widows. Choose someone who listens to your unique situation and provides guidance at a pace that feels comfortable for you. Make sure they're a fiduciary and legally bound to act in your best interest. The loss of a spouse is never easy, but with the right support, you can move forward with confidence. Take small steps, lean on trusted advisors, and give yourself the time and space you need to navigate this new chapter.